Isa
Pwede ba
sobrang.
ilabas yung chinela?
Oo, labas mo na. Oo.
Huwag na mo gawin.
Kunin ko na lang yung sapatos.
Ako naman yung sapatos.
Pwede yung crocs dyan.
Gagamit namin. Ayun, tawag mo sila. Oh.
Sani! Ay, kasama ba ako? Sani! Sani, may pasok yung tawagin mo sa Sani. Sumobra na may advance, so wala pa. Eh, baka hindi na lang tayo mag-get together.
Ay, hi, sabi mo, Jessica.
Michael, sing happy birthday. Okay, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday, boss.
Birthday.
Sige, sing a wish. Yay! Thank you, mawalang galang na. Gusto na namin kakainin na yan.
May bago eh, no?
Happy birthday, Julius and Dwayne. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ito, tikman mo.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hindi mo naman sinabing isa, ano eh, isa lang eh.
Happy birthday.
Hindi yan na lang. Hindi namin lang muna.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Gusto lang naman.
Isang kalahati.